disclaimer, this is a promotional video. It's a collab between GoldieBlox and Random House, so stay tuned. What's up, hackers? It's GoldieBlox, and guys, I'm in a book! Everyday DIY, full of hacks, crafts, and DIYs for the modern maker girl. Link in the description, get yours today. I challenge you, the Goldie Squad, to take one of the amazing DIYs from my book and remake it and put your entire new twist on it. Seriously. Don't forget to post it on Instagram or YouTube because I want to see it. It's like the best part about this. It's time to hack your world. Okay, there were just so many great DIYs in this book. It was super hard to choose which one to remake. And then it hit me. Emoji magnets. These are the first emoji magnets that I've ever made. They're a little, you know, they've seen some things. They've been through life. So that's why I decided to, like, you know, update them. And I keep remembering that, like, emojis keep getting updates. So I was like, let's update the hack. Introducing emoji magnets 2.0. Like, the small emojis are perfect. But, you know, for some reason, I just wanted to go big. Go big or go home. Look at how cute these guys are, seriously. And they're twice as, not even twice as big, like 5 times as big. And that's everything. So we got some like party, and then we got some like I love, and then like got some icy, and we got some like it's hot in here, but this one's also like crying. It's kind of everything. I love this emoji. And then we have a test tube, some DNA, a microbe. They're super cute, and you can make them all different sizes. Literally just wood, and I hot glued a little magnet on the back. Because from far away, like the small emoji magnets, like you can't really tell what they are. But with these, like, you know. So I got these little ones, which are super cute. And then I got, you know, the medium ones, you know, they're like cute. And then I got really carried away. And I made this. So, let's hack it. So these are super easy to make. I went to the craft store and I got little pieces of plywood. And then I get some paint. Open it up. Just like that. If you don't do it like that, you're doing it wrong. And then you just get a paintbrush, dab it, mix it, make it all pretty, and just go to town. Try to get all the paint strokes. There we go. Okay. And then once you're done with that, you let it dry. And then I used a paint pen to sketch in the design. And then you let it dry. And the last step, take a magnet and hot glue it in place. So a little bit of hot glue and and if your emoji, has like extra things like floating off of it, just use some cardstock paper and design it to your heart's desire. Get it? Because it's hearts. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, do you know how many emojis there are? Comment down below your guess right now, and then I'm gonna tell you, and then see how close you are, okay? There are 3,053 emojis. Why didn't they just stop at 3,000? Like, they had to add that extra 53 in there just to make it harder for me to say, so. And that's it for today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe for new videos every single week. Also, hit the notification bell while you're there. Comment down below what your favorite was. Obviously, this one's my favorite because we're celebrating the release of my book and the DIY Up the Challenge. Don't forget about those two. That's it. GoldieBlox signing off.